Check, check, check. All right. Check, check, check. All right. Yeah, so what was the plan going into the week? What the? Oh, didn't even have a plan. What the fuck? Hmm. Well, let's just see here. So yeah, we had a what was unexpected? Friday big gap down. Oh no, Monday big gap down on Russell and the others. So this Monday was the third. So yeah, Monday, Friday the flows were bearish, but then we got a gap down and some bullish flows on Monday, and then some bearish flows on Tuesday. And then I think yeah, I was looking for shorts just because we had the classic SMT that I was looking for, but that was just flawed thinking. But either way, let's just review the whole week profile. So we gap down, create the wick, and then yeah, have a nice bullish week with a wick for Friday. So basically a flat week for Russell or the Dow. And we're gonna want to review setups. So Monday, first thing I look for is SMT. So we got a SMT here very clearly. Should have been looking for longs. And into Monday we had the, where was the open? Man, why isn't this loading anymore? How do I update it? Anyways, let's just not use it. But yeah, at the open we got a nice dip down. What is this? A 4 hour fair value gap there. So we get a nice soup of the lows, and we need to zoom in more. What news was on Monday? Let's check it out. We need to check this out too. Monday. Okay. All right. Monday. Let me get a nice little screenshot. Here are the flows. How do I caption this? crop this. Crop. There we go. All right. So there's Monday's flow, and then I might as well do that for all of them really quick. New for, we'll start with Friday to Tuesday. Yeah, we'll just do Friday through Tuesday, and then Wednesday. Oops. There we go. Thursday. And then, oops. And then Friday. At least the nets. And I'll just put the full week of Tide. Yeah, I'll just exit full screen. Where's weekly review? Oh, there it is. Weekly review. Edit. Turn into a drop down to, where's the, perfect. Nice. Alright. Oops. Boom. Oops. And gotta undo that. Undo. There we go. Weekly flows. There's Market Tide. There's SpyNet. Let's look at a week's worth of Dow, a week's worth of Russell. Dow and Russell, and then Qs. Cool. Just gotta put that data in there. Perfect. Was looking for possible shorts, which was silly due to the clear longs and the gap already playing out a bearish. How do the flows play out in tandem with price? Divergent into latter part. Alright, what am I doing again? Yeah, so Monday there was a very clear long soup. We had equal lows, and we were wondering what the news was. That's what we were doing last week. Alright, last week we had PMI at 10. So yeah, looking for the soup long was literally right at 10. And then the Dow literally, the Dow literally held versus the ES and the Nasdaq. Clear bullish SMT into PDA. There we go. Oops. SMT at the lows, confirming longs, and then in easy soup, long as NQ and ES made classic weakness. Then suit. Yeah, that's basically the setup. Any longs on anything, but I mean easy longs on ES and Nasdaq, but Russell would have been very easy as well, and so would have the Dow, since we souped the low and then we confirmed higher into the news. So that marks up that finishes out Monday. Need to make some nice space here, so it's annoying. Obviously, I'm not very computer savvy. All right, Tuesday. So Tuesday we had bear flows Friday, and then we marked the bottom with bullish flows. So to me that just means a continuation. Um, Maybe we need to take a look at the the whole week real quick just to see what Russell would have been doing. So yeah, bullish, but then we did have some puts rising, though they were negative though, so not really too significant. But yeah, so should have still been looking for longs on Tuesday. Oh, I forgot to include the news on Monday. Did I include the news? Monday. Perfect. Alright, go away. Tuesday. Tuesday should still be looking long due to unmet targets on our time frame for the S&P at the lows. And no, oh, let's look at NASDAQ. 2QQ Monday was really bullish, so yeah, and bullish continuation lows. So now looking at the day, so where was Tuesday? So yeah, Tuesday there was a nice short into PM session. Okay. Yeah, all we did was fill the gap, so it makes sense that we have a nice little correction there. That's totally normal. And we haven't taken out any highs or anything, so should just look for some more bullish SMT. That would be the obvious way to look at it, even though that's what I didn't do. And there was. This was the setup that I missed. Missed the SMT in my analysis for the super easy longs. The flows ended up turning bearish for a short later in the day, but the YM SMT, especially with Russell, was the super easy long, same exact trade as Monday, basically. So yeah, we get the SMT here. Bullish SMT here into the low, into the fair value gap. This is always what happens. And then we create a nice liquidity pool, and same thing here. And then into the morning, we had jolts at 10 a.m. I think this was also at 10 a.m. So yeah, into the open. Where's 9:30? Oh, and then literally into the open on YM. Into the open here. So yeah, overnight we get the bullish S&T, boom, 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 and then we have the range coming into the open, where here we get a really nice soup manipulation here with Russell coming lower. That's the long right there. I was already planning on the soup long on RTY, but thought it would come just below that low, though that was my mistake since the 15-minute was which is okay. But the problem is there was more entries. Problem was there were more entries after R2I manipulated, and I still should have been confident longing it since it was just even more confirmed. On a good day, this would have been the area to add more size and increase the trade for a big one. Yeah. And then, so yeah, YM was manipulating these lows. These guys were just heading higher, and then we also got a little manipulation here too. And then YM manipulates. So yeah, YM manipulated the lows versus ES and NQ2, and they both make this low. Oh man, where am I? All the way back here. Okay. So yeah, 930 manipulation on Russell and NASDAQ and ES. Dow Jones confirms the low here, makes a lower low, lower low, lower low. But the 9 a.m., the opening one was the clear entry, and then when we broke the low here, that was the entry on ES. So yeah, just mark that out. Oops. Yeah, and they all made SMT here. Oh, they all took out that low. Where was the key low here? There wasn't a key low, it was just the soup. Pretty sure, yeah. On the higher time frame, it was pretty easy to spot it. Yeah, 15-minute, which is exactly what I should have been doing. Is there's news, 15 minutes at 10 a.m. News was at 10 a.m. and we had already delivered before that. So yeah, the AM was the delivery for the news, and then the news was the short. So, and I'll also mark out the short here, or I'll just show it. Classic short ES NQ over YM. ES manipulates higher. Then the short ended up playing out as the flows were bearish. Why was I looking? Oh, I was looking just because of the S&T. I made the mistake of shorting too early when the highs hadn't made S&T for a short yet, since there was bullish IM S&T, the lows that I missed. Then the classic short setup did play, but the correct way. Yeah, it's okay to look for a short. Yeah, cool. This is why it's good to review this shit. Was there any flow, though, that was giving me bearish vibes on Monday? So Monday, bullish, bullish, bullish. No, no, everything was bullish. Shouldn't have. Long, open, near open longs, near open S&T longs, news shorts, YPS and Q over YM. Boom. Whew. How long have I been doing this? 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to take a quick break here. Getting a little burnt out now. So, goodbye to the stream, and I'll keep going solo.